Welcome aboard to the next problem, everybody. So here's the next problem for the day. After Ma'am Lydia bought a new pair of sneakers that were put inside the shoebox, she decided to recycle the shoebox and use it to make a present that she would give to her better half on their wedding anniversary. Ayan, so this is the introduction to the story. So in item number 2, Ma'am Lydia bought a new pair of shoes and it was put in a shoebox. Pero ang ginawa niya sa shoebox, di ba normally sa mga tao, once they use the shoebox, tinatapon nila agad. Kaya lang for the sake of this she wants to recycle it and make it as a, gift wrapper. A gift. Yan, parang paparaguluhin. Sorry na hindi ako mahusay sa Tagalog, but I know, with the box that she has, she's going to use that as a gift. Di ba remember ito yung box ay pwedeng gagamitin ng regalo? So what you do na lang with the box, lagay mo si gift wrapping paper para mag-i-itsure ng regalo. Yun ang ibig sabihin ko dyan. Okay? So now, then it says here, the length of the box is 18 inches with the width of 8 inches and the height is 10 inches. She needs to buy gift wrapping paper from the store, but its dimensions are 12 inches by 8 inches. So how much gift? Okay, so ganito kasi yun. Diba remember si Ma'am Lydia, gusto niya magpaparegiluhin. So the shoebox that she has follows these dimensions. 18 inches, 8 inches, tapos 10 inches. Tapos the gift wrapping paper that she bought is 12 inches by 8 inches. So she's gonna use that gift wrapper to wrap the entire shoebox. So the questions are, letter A, how much gift wrapping paper does she need to cover the entire box? Yan, how much gift wrapping paper? Ilan yung mga gift wrapper na gagamitin niya para sa papareguluhin? And then sa letter B, paano yung volume? What is the volume? So determines the capacity. So di ba remember not like last time when we did an item number 1, ang ginawa namin ay perimeter and area of shapes. Ngayon naman, ang gagawin namin ay volume and surface area. Sa surface area, mas specific na yan. Di ba remember last time when we did surface area, we just did normal surface area. Ngayon naman, this time, there's a problem involved. But you need to utilize whatever you've learned from the first 4 set of activities to answer the word problems. So yun. So let's answer the problem. Again, going back to Microsoft Excel, di ba remember, ang gagawin namin ay surface area. Kasi nga dito, we're going to ask how much gift wrapping paper is needed. To determine how much gift wrapping paper is needed, we need to solve for the surface area of the box. And then based on the surface area of the box, ganito yun. We get to multiply it with the gift wrapper. So first, we need to solve for the surface area of the box. So di ba remember, it says that the height is 18 inches. We have the given dimensions, 18. Di ba, going back to our word. Ang given dimensions are 8, 18, at 10. So you know now to do surface area of the box, di ba? Ilang mga faces sa box? 6, di ba? Di ba kung tingnan mo yung shoebox, there are 6 faces. Isa sa lid, isa sa base, tapos 4 sa gilid. So when you add this up all together, maging 6 na yan. Yan. Okay? Now what you need to do is this. So for phase 1 and phase 2, ginamit ko yun. Ang ginawa ko, 18 times 10. Tapos same point dahil congruent sila. Kasi you know naman, it's a rectangular prism. A prism is a solid figure whose pair of faces are congruent. Yan. So 18 times 10. Ano ito? We have 18 times 8. 18 times 8, tapos 18 times 8 ulit. Tapos this one, ano to? 8 times 10. Yan. Kung sino yung kulang? Dito, kulang tayo ng 8. Dito, kulang tayo ng 10. Dito, kulang tayo ng 18. Then, after that, when we summed everything up. Once we do, we should get an answer of 808 square inches. So, yun yung surface area. Oops! Teka lang. Diba remember that's just the surface area of the box? Does it ask for the surface area of the box? Hindi po. Ang tinanong niya kung ilan yung mga gift wrapper na kailangan namin. So, how much gift wrapping paper do we need? Kasi nga, we need to estimate how much gift wrapper is it. So, to solve for that, the first thing we need to do is this. Ganito kasi yung ginawa ko. First, I solve for the area of the gift wrapping paper. To solve for the area of the gift wrapping paper, ganito si yun. Kasi nga, sabi dito, ang gift wrapping paper it measures 12 inches by 8 inches. Yan. 12 times 8, which gives you 96 square inches. So, yun. And then, ang gagawin namin ay ratio and proportion. We estimate. We know that one gift wrapper is 96 square inches. But remember, if we want to cover everything, di ba, ibalutin mo? So, we need to use the gift wrapping paper. But one gift wrapping paper is not enough. Hindi siya sapat. Dahil isang gift wrapping paper ay 96 square inches. Pero kailangan namin ay 808 square inches. Pero how do we do for the rest? Yun, i-divide na namin. We estimate. Because if one gift wrapper is 96 square inches, how much gift wrapping paper do you need if you have 808 square inches? So, ang ginawa namin ay divide. So, we did 808 divided by 96. And we should get 8.4166666. Pero, of course, you cannot tell the store or the stockholder of the gift wrapping paper to give you 8.41667. So, you need to take it as a whole. Kung may sobra, igupitin mo sa bahay. Yun. So, therefore, you need at least 9 pieces of gift wrapping paper from the store. Yun talaga yung tamang sagot. Okay? So, yan. That's item letter A. Ma'am Lydia needs at least 9 pieces of gift wrapping paper to cover the entire box. That's for letter A. Now, for letter B, yun nga. What is the volume? To solve for the volume, madali lang yan. Very easy. How do you solve for the volume? Just multiply all the dimensions, diba? And it's 8 times 18 times 10, which gives you 1,440 cubic inches. Then the answer is this. The volume in the box is 1,440 cubic inches. Yun lang. Madali lang yun, diba?